Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce business travel costs with Airbnb, full guide step by step clearly. Start by researching your destination to understand the local Airbnb options available. Open the Airbnb website or app to explore listings in the area where you will be traveling. Use the search filters to narrow down results based on your budget, desired amenities, and number of guests. Look for entire homes or private rooms depending on your travel needs and preferences. Take note of cancellation policies to ensure flexibility in case your travel plans change. Read through guest reviews to gauge the quality of the accommodations and the responsiveness of the host. Shortlist potential properties that meet your criteria and compare their prices. Consider the location of the listings in relation to your meeting sites to minimize transportation costs. Check for any additional fees such as cleaning fees or service charges that may impact your overall budget. Communicate with hosts to clarify any questions about the property or amenities. Book your chosen listing as early as possible to secure the best rates. Use business travel discounts if applicable, as some listings may offer reduced rates for corporate travelers. Consider shared accommodations for longer stays to reduce costs further. Keep an eye on special promotions or discounts that may be available for last-minute bookings. Review your total expenses to evaluate if staying with Airbnb has saved you money compared to traditional hotels. Keep records of your stay as you may find tax deductions or reimbursements applicable for business travel. Finally, reflect on your experience with Airbnb to inform future travel planning decisions. By following this guide, you can effectively reduce your business travel costs while ensuring a comfortable and productive stay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.